Have you been having shoulder pain and found this exercise online, but finding out that it's actually not helping you or maybe even hurting how you're doing it? Let's find out how to do the external rotation exercise properly to start building strength into your shoulder. Hi, I'm Alan and Premier Spine and Sport Rehabilitation and Wellness, and I'm going to show you how to do the external rotation exercise with the top 3 common mistakes that I see. First thing that you want to do is you always want to have a towel under your arm when you're doing this exercise. It does a couple of things. It makes sure that you're pinning your elbow against your body or against your side so that you're not opening up and flaring out as you're doing this exercise. And the other thing it does is it puts the muscles in a better alignment, better line of pull so that they're doing their job more efficiently and provides a little more blood flow to the shoulder while you're doing this exercise. The second common mistake that I commonly see is a combination of poor posture while they're doing this exercise. So you want to make sure that your chest is up, you're stacking your spine, and the shoulder is back as you're rotating. And the resistance is a little bit too light. So oftentimes if you're trying to build strength, the lighter the resistance, you're really not changing much as far as building strength. You're probably building a little more endurance in the muscles. But if you go a little bit heavier, enough so that you can do 10 to 12 with good form, 10 to 12 repetitions with good form. Anything more than that, you probably want to go heavier. If you can't even get up to 8 to 10 reps, you probably want to go a little bit lighter, making sure that you're putting some good rest in between the sets as well. Third most common mistake is that I often see people sticking to this one exercise without progression. If you're an athlete, especially if you're an overhead athlete, you want to be able to progress the exercises into more functional ranges, especially if you're an overhead athlete, pitcher, thrower, you want to start working into this 90-90 position, or even this high row or face pull position where you're ending up with external rotation on both sides. And those are the top 3 mistakes that I see with external rotation of the shoulder.